So make sure you click that like button and subscribe for real reviews on tech. Welcome back to Dad Tech. Today I am reviewing this, the Ultimate Ears Blast. It's got Alexa on it as well, and it comes in this real funky box. So let's get straight into the action. Let's turn this bad boy on. On it goes. You can get these in all different colours, and the main reason I bought this is because it's completely waterproof. So I needed some kind of tech to play my Amazon Music in the shower. I know it's strange, I've got Alexas all over the house basically, but I just could not put one in the bathroom. So this is why I got this bad boy. So let's get straight into the action. Yeah, it's quite easy to set up. The good thing about this, it also comes on your Alexa app, so you can basically connect it up to another speaker. What you cannot do with this is have this as play and everywhere. This is not included. All you can do is have another Alexa and use that Alexa to basically stream over to this one. So you speak in one Alexa and the music comes out of this one. Here we go. Alexa, what you'll notice straight away, the light comes on. You don't get any kind of noise to actually say that that you've connected to Alexa. So if I just say, Alexa, play me some music.
Here's a station you might like. Student Favorites on Amazon Music.
I wonder what this is like.
Letters on the sky, burning in your eyes.
I turn it up a little bit.
You look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire.
Full volume.
It's buried in my soul,
Loud.
like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all
Just turn it down a little bit. Alexa, stop. You'll see straight away it is pretty loud for quite a small unit. The only painful thing I would say about this is the charging point. Because it's waterproof, you've got this little kind of like switch thing here that you just have to twist around, pull off and charge it in the bottom. I understand that's because it's waterproof, so I can kind of put up with that. But you do need, you have to take the whole bottom off to charge it up, which is a bit of a pain. It lasts around about 12 hours on a charge, playing music. So all I do is just turn it off every time I go in the shower, or when I come out the shower, should I say. So this should last easily a month on the juice. Also, it gives you a warning, like most of these units nowadays, to actually say when it's out of battery. So let's play some dance. Let's ask for some dance. Alexa, play some dance music.
Here's a station for dance music. Top Dance
I'll put it
on Amazon Music.
The half volume. See what it's like. So I'm going to turn it up now.
This is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared. This is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared. This is what we're waiting for.
Turn it down a little bit. I'll turn it up for the bass. Alexa, stop. So you heard the sound quality there. So I would say it's a little bit tinny. It's not like my other like Bose speakers, but it is on the same par as, I would say, the Alexas, definitely, the Echoes, etc. So it's a good little one for definitely your bathroom because it's waterproof. So My recommendation, it costs about 70 odd pounds, so quite a cheap speaker. So if you want something for your bathroom, this is definitely the one for you. So make sure you click that like button and also subscribe below for more tech coming soon. Bye.
Yeah.